Hey there friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and today I am going to be showing you some healthy snacks that can be turned into meals that are easy for on the go. They are healthy, they are budget friendly, and I am going to show you some low waste options for your packaging. First, we are starting out with these peanut butter protein pizza pancakes. A lot of peas, but these are super awesome for toddlers, really easy for on-the-go things. And please remember, all of these recipes will be typed out in the description box down below. So I'm starting out with a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of pumpkin spice. I'm going to do a half of a mashed banana, 1 cup of whole wheat flour, and then it really depends on your milk. I'm using soy milk and I ended up using about 1.25 cups, but it really depends on how you want your consistency to go. And then optionally you can add some extras to this. So I'm going to add some hemp seeds and flax. I'm going to mix everything together. I'm going to cook them like your typical pancake, and then I'm going to spread them with peanut butter and cut them into little pizza shapes. These pancakes are super easy for on the go, and they're really great for our hike today. I am just going to put it in some cotton that I have here, tie it up and put it in the pack, and it is good to go. If you are taking it for a long hike, maybe put a cooler in there or maybe an ice pack, but this is super easy and I really hope you try this one. The next one is a hands down favorite. It can get a little messy, but I really enjoy it. They're just these taco roll-ups. So what you're going to need is some wraps. I'm using these low carb wraps. They're very small. So if I were to do this again, which I probably will, I would use a larger wrap, but I'm going to take 3 of those, and I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of these green chilies. They are mild and I get them in the can, and I'm going to put them into about a 1/2 cup of cream cheese. I'm using the Kite Hill. You can use whatever you want. And then I'm going to use this corn and black bean blend. It came frozen. It has some onions and peppers in there, but I thawed it out, and I'm going to mix that in with the cream cheese. All you have to do is spread it onto these wraps and roll them up. They are super easy to take along. You could optionally add some chicken, extra protein with tofu if you wanted. Honestly, the possibilities are endless with these, and they are super flavorful. So it is very important that you add these spices. This is a makeshift taco mix that I like to use.
falling like stars, and I didn't notice the chaos inside my heart.
So I like to store little wraps like this in some mason jars. If I had them on hand, I would have used my wide mouth mason jars so I could fit some more, but I'm just gonna put this right in my hiking pack and I will be good to go for the day. The last meal is going to be this hummus veggie sandwich. I'm going to do an homemade hummus. I've done this before, but I just want to show you again because I always vary what kind I like to do. But basically you're going to need some chickpeas, some tahini, garlic, olive oil, and a little bit of water. I put in some black pepper as well as some salt, but that is obviously optional, and I like to serve mine on bread. But hummus is great to have on the go. You can dip it if you want, but it tends to get a little messy. So I'm going to put everything in my mixer here, and then I am going to mix it up and spread it on my sandwich. I'm going to top it with my favorite veggies. Then I'm going to wrap it up in another piece of cotton, put it in my pack, and we are going to be off on our hike. So if you can stick around to the end of the video, that would be amazing. I promise to show you some really beautiful views of Boulder, Colorado, one of our favorite places to hike. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this meal portion of the video. Excited? Where are we going?
I'll go away.
Yeah, we are. Woohoo! Let's go.
I've been in your waters, been knocking at your door. I know one thing for sure, I've never been so close before. You were truly my love, but it was over so fast. Just one thing to discover, it was never built to last. It's one way or the other, no way in between. I ain't getting any younger. You and stay forever a dream. You were truly my love, but it was over so fast. Just one thing to discover, it was never built to last.
We sat and nibbled on some lunch at the base of the trailhead here when we got back down from our hike and enjoyed some scenery and some beautiful poppy fields. I really hope you enjoyed this video. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative, and I will see you next time, y'all. Bye.